After hearing the statements of both sides and on the basis of the statement given by Mithai Das, the Honorable Court grants divorce to Mithai Das and Siddharth Modak. In this case, no alimony was demanded. But still, the court orders both the parties to discuss their respective requirements and then decide accordingly. So that no party faces any kind of inconvenience. The court is adjourned for now.
I accept all the allegations. Please be kind and grant us divorce.
The Honorable Court grants divorce to Mithai Das and Siddharth Modak.
What's the matter? Why are you relaxing and reading a newspaper? What was the verdict today? When I was praying in the morning, my right eye was twitching a lot.
Sushma, there is no connection between the twitching of your right eye and the divorce. And listen, Siddheshwar Modak is not an inexperienced man. I assure you that your grandson won't be able to divorce Mithai. As soon as he refuses to divorce her, I'll force him to accept the marriage. If he's Siddharth Modak, I'm his grandfather, remember? Yes, as I guessed, it's Mr. Biswas.
Just see what he has to say.
Yes. Tell me, Mr. Biswas, what's the matter? What is the useless fellow saying?
Mr. Siddheshwar, this is really impossible.
Mithai did not share anything with me clearly.
But I'm damn sure that Mithai was pressurized outside the court by someone or the other.
I did not get a chance to argue the case.
Mithai accepted all the false allegations and asked the court to grant a divorce.
What happened? What is he saying?
That's it. The divorce was granted.
Why aren't you saying anything?
I assure you, please trust me, Mr. Siddheshwar, that this is completely made up.
What? What are you saying? Mithai asked for a divorce? But why?
Grandpa? What are you saying? Who asked for a divorce?
Mithai.
Okay, do what you think is right.
I have nothing to say. Let's discuss
if we'll appeal against it. Okay? I'll hang up now.
Dad, what happened? Please tell me. Dad, why are you quiet? Please tell me what has happened.
Mithai has asked the court to grant a divorce to them. But why?
Shritama told me yesterday that something was wrong with Mithai. Dad, what shall we do now? Huh?
What will happen? Gamble with their lives? Take risks? You are a businessman who loves to take risks. Let me see how you handle this. Let me make one thing clear to you. If their divorce is not annulled, then I'll go to my guru's hermitage. I won't go back on my word. I will never come back. I won't tolerate this in my family.
Mom?
No.
Mom, please
No.
listen to me. Dad, Mom is furious. Has Mithai lost her mind? What is she doing? This is so terrible. Mom!
Grandpa, I'm sure our enemies made a move which we didn't guess. It's time to think of plan B. Think. During the upcoming festival, we have to bring together all the possibilities so that we can plan something due to which this divorce doesn't happen. There's no other option.
Uncle, your reputation got maligned because of Mithai today.
Mithai, it's not about my reputation. But could you uphold your honor?
This will be good for everybody, Uncle. I assure you. Now Mithai will be able to live life on her own terms.
Mithai, I have been practicing law for 22 years. I have witnessed scores of divorce cases. I know the truth. And I can definitely tell you that you did not grant the divorce willingly. All the allegations are false. How could you accept false allegations, Mithai?
So what? Grandfather's grandson didn't make those allegations against me. Just like our marriage, the allegations were fake. What difference does it make if we accept or reject these false allegations, Uncle? Don't think about it. I'm feeling bad about only one thing. I ruined your reputation, Uncle.
Mithai, that worthless, useless fellow will never understand all the sacrifices that you made. Well, if you appeal at the High Court, then inform me. Your Uncle Biswas will always be with you.
Mithai, I never expected this from you, that you would do something so wise. I don't understand why Sid calls you silly all the time. You would have to go to several hearing sessions and counseling sessions, but all that mess was sorted by you with just one statement. We had suggested the same to Sid while filing for mutual divorce. Anyway, Mithai, now onwards you are free. Listen, if you need any help, then tell me. I'll be always there for you, okay? Will you do that?
I accept all the allegations. Please be kind and grant us divorce. Sister Tursa. Sister, shall I say something?
Yes, tell me.
You should get married to Siddharth now. You love him a lot, isn't it? Don't be single anymore. Got it? I know that he doesn't believe in marriage, but if you insist and force him, I'm sure he'll marry you.
Thank you, Mithai. Thank you so much. Really. I won't let Sid be alone anymore. I won't let him stay alone. Okay, Mithai. Mom is waiting for me in the chamber. Uncle is also with her. I'll leave now. Some formalities are still pending. A couple of papers need to be signed. That's it. I'll have to leave now. Sid. Listen, I will call you later, okay? Bye.
I hope you will go home from here. Or are you planning to go to Chennai from here?
How can I do that? The Rath Yatra festival is approaching. Mithai will go back to Chennai after celebrating Rath Yatra. Come on, we have to go home.
Hello, Mithai? Why are you going there? My car's parked over there.
Grandfather's grandson has got rid of such big trouble. Won't you give me an ice cream treat? Look, the ice cream cart.
Ice cream? Yes, I mean, why won't I buy ice cream for you? Let's go to a decent parlor. Why do you want to have ice cream from here? After all, Tufan Meal is free today. Celebration time, right?
Why? Aren't you happy? You had to also come here repeatedly and listen to Uncle's lectures. Your work was also getting affected. Did you like doing this?
Mithai. Now, please don't tell me that you gave the statement in the court only because of me. Please.
No. Mithai doesn't do favors. Whatever Mithai did was for herself. You had told me on the very first day that I'll be free after divorce. You had told me, remember it? Let's leave it. Since all the problems are sorted, buy ice cream for me. It will make Mithai happier.
I'm ready to buy ice cream for you. Let's go to a better place. Come on, let's go.
Wait. Those places aren't meant for Mithai. I might misbehave, but I have no control over my limbs. You know my speed. What if you don't get ice cream sticks in those places? Brother, do you have ice cream sticks?
Yes, I have.
Do you know what? In Chennai, Balram used to sell a variety of ice cream sticks. But I would often eat. She would also buy for Footy. I can have those ice cream sticks again after I go back to Chennai. I'm feeling so happy I can't express it. Brother, what's this? Will he be able to give you change?
What's the price for this?
20 rupees.
20 rupees. Is it so cheap? Mithai, just leave it. I'm sure your stomach will get upset. Please give her an expensive one.
No. This is delicious. Tell me, who told you that expensive things are always better? No other ice cream can be as delicious as this one. Got it? Look at me. My tongue has turned red, isn't it?
I hate such antics. Seriously. Let me see if I have some change. Just a second. Here. Let's go.
Hey! Want you take back the change?
No, I don't want to stay in this dirty place anymore. Let's get in the car.
You know what? This is your problem. You don't value money.
Mithai, just stop giving me lectures. You're making me angry now.
Are you getting angry? Would you like to have ice cream? Shall I tell him to give you one? Shall I? Have an ice cream. It will help you calm down. Do you know what? This day will never come back. So Mithai is very happy.
I see. You know what, Mithai? I never realized that you felt so suffocated in the Monohara house. It seems that you have found a new life. You've got a new life now. If you had told me before that you were feeling suffocated in my house, then I would have made arrangements to set you free way sooner. I don't know how Grandpa and Grandma will react after they hear about our divorce. I have no clue. Do you know what? Grandpa never says anything, but I understand his feelings really well. Grandpa expects that we don't get divorced. You gave that statement without giving any second thought, and I
Tell me why? Aren't you happy? You were feeling suffocated. Mithai had done a favor to you long back. For how long will you keep doing favors to Mithai? Look, Mithai is not as stupid as she appears to be. Mithai understands many things. I'm not that stupid. Moreover, Sister Torsa is also there for you.
What's Tess' role in this? What are you trying to say?
Mithai won't say anything further. Mithai will go now. Let's go.
Stop. Mister, give me some tissues. Napkin. Give me your hand. Hold it like this. Hold it like this. This way. Hmm. Have the ice cream like this, or it'll stain your clothes. You know, I feel disgusting when I see things like this.
That's why Mithai is going away. You won't feel disgusting anymore. Sister, Torsa won't ask for ice cream sticks like me.
Lord knows why she's repeatedly taking Tess's name. She was saying something after coming out of the court. She's completely insane. She suddenly stated that she accepted all the allegations as if I made allegations against her. Nonsense.